If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Apple TV Plus subscription, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple device. This is where you can manage all your subscriptions and account settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can find subscription options. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select the Subscriptions option. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions, including Apple TV Plus. Step 4. Choose Apple TV Plus. Find and tap on the Apple TV Plus subscription in the list. This will open the subscription details where you can manage your renewal settings. Step 5. Turn off auto renewal. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or Turn off auto renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice, and your subscription will not renew at the end of the current billing cycle. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal of your Apple TV Plus subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Apple support for assistance.